Hey Gator families, this is Miss Simmons. I'm here to show you how to open your art courses and then what you do from there. If you open your dashboard, each of your family members, your kids, nieces, nephews, whatever, is going to have an art course. Art is a graded subject for 1st through 5th grade. So I'm not going to open pre-K. If your child is in one of our special education classes, Miss Stern and Miss Tompkins each have their own courses as well because they come by themselves and are able to do some different projects that are more specific to their needs. So I'm just going to use 2nd grade. When you click on the course, it's going to take you to the home page. If you're opening it on an iPad, you might have to click home over here on the left. I'm going to switch to student view so that you can see a little bit more like a student would. On the home page, there are a few different things. Each week has its own button. Sometimes the pictures may not load, but usually there will be text there that still says week 1, week 2, and has the information. There's also a page that says art links at the bottom. This is where you can go to find fun things to do in your free time. To get to your assignments, you're going to click on these weekly buttons to get the pages. On the page, it's going to tell you the objective for the lesson, what supplies you're going to need, and then either have a video or a PowerPoint with the instructions that you can click and watch. When you're finished, down here at the bottom, it has a link to the assignment page. You'll click that, and it'll take you here. Now, this assignment was already due last week, so it's closed. It's unavailable. If there's ever an emergency or something happens and an assignment is closed that you still need to submit, all you have to do is send me an email. My email address is cesimmons@caddoschools.org. You click and upload a picture in here. Let's go back to a different assignment so I can show you what that looks like. Let's look at this one. It has a little box where you can upload a file. If you are taking a picture on your phone, you can email it to yourself and then save it to your computer that way. If you're using your Chromebook or your iPad to take a picture, all you have to do is click here, and it will pop up with your window to choose your image. So I'm just going to use my random background picture here. It shows that it's uploaded, and then right down here is the save and submit area where you just click that and turn it in. If you have any more questions, please make sure that you send me an email or call the school and leave a message for me so I can help your students learn. Those of you that have been doing a great job of turning in your artwork, I've loved seeing them, and I will always leave you comments and grades so that you know that I got your work. Have a great Gator day.